Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Hannah and today I chose the game Hangman. This is my first time stream playing anything, so bear with me. I chose this game because the controls for any of the other games that I tried to play weren't working for whatever reason, or I just couldn't figure it out. I'm not sure, but I tried. Also, my name can be completely spelled from the word Hangman, which I thought was kind of cool. Okay, now to business. Hangman was published by Atari and designed by Alan Miller. It was like his second or third game he designed, but I couldn't find the exact dates to find out if it was the second or the third. It was released in 1978. This game can be played by one or two people. If you're playing with two people, you need to choose the game mode 5 through 8, and the players race to get the word right. However, if you choose game mode 9, one player will choose the word, and the other player will guess the word. Off the top of my head, I can't think of any other games that are like Hangman that were designed since this game is such a classic. On an Atari 2600, you would use a joystick to play this game. However, that's not the case today. To choose a letter, you would move the up and down arrows, which I will show now. You just go back and forth like that. And then to choose an arrow, you would press a space bar. So say I wanted to choose letter E, and then since there was a letter for that chosen letter, it popped up in the blank space. If I were to choose a wrong letter, an image would pop up. So, well, that wasn't a good example. An image like that will pop up. Also, you can't hear the audio, but it makes like a weird noise. The object of the game is to complete the word without hanging the man, which is an image of a monkey in this game, and you get 11 chances to guess wrong. This game has different difficulties in games, and in games 1 and 5, the vocabulary is 1st through 3rd grade. So I think right now I'm on game mode 1 because I didn't change anything for the settings. In games 2 and 6, the vocabulary will be 1st through 6th grade. In games 7 and 3, it'll be 1st through 9th grade, and games 4 and 8 will be 1st through high school. So the difficulty gets more broad and more difficult. Since this game is made from the pen and paper game, nothing really stands out as unique to me, but if something stands out to you, please let me know because I would like to see what your thoughts are, because everyone thinks differently. This game can be played by anyone, which is what I like most about it. Anyone can figure out how to play and have fun, whether it's yourself or with a friend. There's really nothing that I don't like about this game, so let me go ahead and finish this game for you. So I just reset the game, and I'll change the mode to 1. So see, each time that I get something wrong, it progressively makes the image larger. And then since I got the word wrong, the whole monkey's shown, so I couldn't guess the word in 11 chances. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next Let's Play assignment.